Once you have been shared the form, if the respondent has started responding, they have been filled a form and they have been submitted, from where you will get a data, in the sense of whatever they have been done, okay, that particular data you would like to get it back, right? From where you can check that data, what response they have been given. Here the questions is that this is the questions, first one, what you have been constructed. Here after that, second option is there, here second tab is that responses. Click on that, you will able to find the all the responses summary, okay, like who are all responded, their name, their gender selection, how many of them are male female. The summary of the responses you will be able to get. If 10 are there, how many male, how many female, how many said others, with color it will be shown. Their mobile number, what they have been responded, okay, what kind of responses they have been given, everything will be shown here. Everything will be shown here. Question by question also you can check, okay, what kind of responses they have been given for each question. Also you can check here by question, or person by person also you can check, okay. Person by person also you can check here by using a individual. And you can print, you can take a print, or you can delete such responses from your database. Okay, this is about here. And second thing we have to learn, accepting responses, it is turned on, okay. If you are turning off this one, if you are not accepting a responses, in the sense someone trying to fill out this particular form will not be able to submit. If you are turn off, you need to turn on to get submitted, form get submitted. Okay, this is about a here summary, you can read here itself. The one more thing you can do, you can generate a report by selecting these three dots. Just click on that three dots here on top of this spreadsheet. You can get an email notification whenever someone submitted a form. If you select here email notification, which email, through which email you have been constructed this form, which Google account you have been used to construct a form, for that email you will get a responses. And select response destination, in the sense if you like to keep this all records in a Google sheet, okay, if you like to keep all the records in a Google sheets, all the questions answers and their responses to be recorded in a Google sheet, then we have to select here three dots, select response destination, and use a create a new spreadsheet. You can give the name for that, you can give the name for the spreadsheet and say create, so that a new worksheet will be spreadsheet will be created in your Google Drive, and whatever the responses are recorded will be directly reflecting on that particular Google Sheets. And if you like to unlink from anywhere you have been linked the form, you can do that one. And if you like to download responses, all the responses in a Excel format, you can download here. Or directly if you like to print all the responses, you can select this one, print all responses. And if you like to delete all the responses, you can select this one for delete all responses. This is how we can manage the responses by using different tabs and tools.